3-bedroom/2-bath home in at a great location and even better price. This home is convenient to exit 44 of I-81 with easy access to the Tri-cities and Greeneville. The home features an open floor plan with a split bedroom design. The great room has plenty of room in the living area and has a gas log fireplace, a large dining area and a well-appointed kitchen with lots of cabinetry and counter space. Primary bedroom features a primary bath with walk-in shower. 2 other good-sized bedrooms that share a full bath with tub shower combo. Laundry room for convenience. Large lot with +/1.2 acres and an outbuilding for additional storage. Enjoy the lovely countryside views from the front and back covered porches. Metal roof and heat pump. Propane gas logs.